Charlie? So, all three of you, what are you all doing snuggling together? What are you all doing? Yes, will you all just snuggle together? Yes? Yes? Ah, that's beautiful. Look. You snore too, Charlie. Say good morning to each other. Say good morning. Big kiss. Morning breath. Morning breath. Charlie, give Sophie a kiss. Kiss, kiss. Yeah. Oh, hang on. Morning scratch. Well, if you're going to sleep with the cat, of course you're going to catch a flea off her. Yeah, scruffy cat. Oh. Good morning, Charlie. Give you a kiss, Charlie. Yeah. Kiss, Sophie. Yeah. Good morning, Charlie. The old cream cracker. Yeah. Yes, yes. Yeah. Hello, Sophie. You're in the gym. Do a workout. Come on. Come on.